My mother is a very simple woman, sister. My mother is my sixth class pass. Proper village. My mother has never come to Chennai. Though I am asking her to come to Chennai to see me, she has never come to Chennai. And all her life she has lived among the goats, the sheep and the cows. Maximum she has ventured is, she ventures more, but maybe till the age of 45, 50, she has ventured about 50 kilometers. Now my mother's universe is getting affected because I am in politics. She gets to see this YouTube, and then when I go there, she's like, why did this fellow speak bad about you? I'm like, which fellow? No, that fellow with mustache and that thing, I've seen it. And why did this fellow read something about you? She's not into this Facebook and Twitter or not. She's into this WhatsApp, whatever, this 2 minute, 1 minute forward she gets. She gets very disturbed. I go there, I sit with her, I tell her, no, this is politics. I told you not to see it, not to read good things about me, not to read bad things about me. You should not read it for the time being. And I call my sister and tell her, why is she watching all this? Who's her friend who is forwarding? Now the problem is, in my village, all the grandmas have become my friends now. It is they do the biggest forward in social media. I'm like, election time I've seen, again I go, I say, party, why are you doing? அது தம்பி ஒரு 2 நிமிஷம் வாட்ஸ்அப்ல வந்துச்சுப்பா, இதுக்காகவே பேரங்கிட்ட சொல்லி வாட்ஸ்அப் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி 10 பேருக்கு அனுப்புறது. Now their whole universe is affected. It's a simple, quiet life. Political attacks on me. My mother is worried, what is he going to say?